What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm back. Hobo Low has come back. Ta-da! I don't know what I'm saying right now. Happy 4th of July, though. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, probably wondering where I've been, or probably forgot about me. You probably been wondering where I've been. What happened to me? Did I leave? Did I disappear? Did I find a way out of my situation? And the answer is, well, as you can see, I'm still in my car. I'm gonna start posting more. I had to clear my mind. There will be an update video. Nothing good lasts forever, nothing bad lasts forever. It ain't always gonna be sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes it's gonna be heartache, pain, struggle. Gotta keep that mind strong though. Let's get into it. It's 4th of July. It's around like 7 o'clock. I know a good spot to catch the fireworks, so yeah, come with me. All right, I'm here at the beginning of this trail. So this trail leads up to a nice, pretty high peak where I can overlook. I can already hear the fireworks. I'm walking the trail right now. Look at that view, man. Live life in the moment, no matter what you may be going through. Live every day though, as if it's your last day. You never know. It's probably like a mile walk to the peak. Nice view. What is that? Is that a coyote? That's not no coyote. That's a dog. Just walking in my sandals. Okay, so that's the hill I was actually gonna go up. There's a lot of people over there. I think I'm gonna go this way. No matter what, man, keep a positive mindset. You live only one time. It's like a war. It's like World War III out here. These people started a fire. Taking a piss right now on a tree. This is the first time I've taken a piss while watching fireworks. It's a great experience. Not gonna lie. Currently taking a piss on American soil. Feels great. It feels great to take a piss on American soil. God bless America. America. The American dream. I'm gonna make it. The American dream is always about God's dream. Walk in his image, walk in his footsteps, follow him. No matter what you go through in life, keep your head up. Move forward. Keep your head high. situation, just know there's a brighter day ahead. And there's fireworks at the end of the light. I mean, at the end of the day.